Yes, I. Good boy. Oh, sorry, Mr. Esperanza. How you doing, sir? Hello.
Hi.
Carlton, this is Miss Perez. This is Carlton, it's an old friend of mine and my business partner.
Hi, Miss Perez.
Luna is fine.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Likewise.
I've heard so much about you.
Really? Good things, I hope.
All good, actually.
Okay, gentlemen, let me leave you to it. I will wait up. Mr. Wallace, it was nice to meet you.
Carlton is fine.
Okay,
Oh,
alright.
by the way, I hope Antonio told you about the double dates we're planning.
Double date. Actually, he didn't. He has become very secretive lately.
I was
But-
waiting on Mr. Wallace's confirmation.
Well, alright.
Well, it's confirmed. We'll
Alright.
give you the date soon, okay?
Alright,
Have
thank
a
you.
nice day. Good to see you.
Bye.
Cool boy. Ain't the jackpot for no one.
Be nice, not true?
Oh, gosh. Gorgeous, man. Gorgeous.
Yeah, man, real wife material.
Wow. I never know that if I see the day when you said that. Wife.
Trust me, bro. We're not getting no younger, you know, brother. We're gonna need companionship in our old age.
True.
So, from the sound of things, you out of the doghouse.
Well, not fully. But me gonna need a double date, yeah, to kind of set things right. Put me back on track.
Alright, simple thing that.
Brother, you have to talk some good things about me, you know.
No worry yourself. Me gonna make you look like king.
Yeah, but nobody go overboard. Cause she's not stupid. She'll pick up. Alright?
No worry yourself, man. We know exactly what to say.
Okay, good. Alright now, brother. We need a release. I shall hold out for me wicked.
True. So that means if I like this, I am back.
Brother,
You're gonna explode.
go on, man. You know, if I want, I would have 3 and 4 to choose from. You don't know it go.
Well, you know, old age teach you a lot, you know.
Yeah, I don't know the whole part. I'm just more mature. Brother, the sun hot. We can't go inside.
Come in, man. Ladies first.
No, man, you go too.
I insist.
I did ever tell you, I just did wait for the right time.
But why you would have hide that tea? Are Ricky me that hear it from?
Him chat too much.
Him never say it in a way like him a keep a secret. Him just the one know if me and my mother-in-law good.
Mama never gave him a message.
Him wouldn't know say you keep it a secret. So you can't blame him. You did tell me your mother dead. And now your mother alive. And visit you and you not say nothing to me? Why?
I did try to figure it out, Kareem. It was just confusing at first.
So it's still confusing?
No, not really. But it's like, I don't know, yeah.
Okay. So Ricardo could have known about your mother, but me couldn't know.
I never tell Ricardo no, Kareem. Him obviously hear when she say it.
Okay, miss.
You think this easy for me? This woman was dead to me and then all of a sudden she alive and back in my life.
So, what the latest story on the project over?
Yeah, I got a meeting with the agents in 2 days. But you know, so I make them know, say, especially with war going, crime and the violence and everything, I don't have a budget for that, you know. I don't have a plan to spend that, you know.
So that means a new valuation can be done?
Exactly. So that should help.
Yeah. Help we. But that mash up you them over there, man.
Come on, Carlton. That's not our business. Them have to work out them thing. Yeah.